Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the recording format in OBS Studio, step by step. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Now, go to the bottom right corner and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Output tab on the left. Under the Recording section, look for the option called Recording Format. Click the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you'll see several formats like MKV, MP4, MOV, FLV, TS, and M3U8. If you're not sure which one to choose, MKV is recommended because it protects your recording even if OBS crashes. MP4 is widely supported, but if OBS crashes, the file may be lost. FLV is also crash safe, but older. Choose the one that fits your workflow. After selecting your format, click Apply, and then click OK. Now your future recordings will be saved in the format you selected. That's it, quick and easy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more OBS Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.